Now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. We have silver screen. Break quickly to start. Moving upon the outside is Master Maker Promise. In between horses, Upper Moon. Then comes Handog, Marquis World, and Sweet and Spicy is racing in less. And going along for the first turn, we have silver screen. Handog is down on the inside. Then comes Upper Moon. Next online is Master Maker, then followed over now by number 6, Promise. Racing down the backstretch, we have silver screen. Moving upon the outside is Upper Moon. Handog, Master Maker, Promise is down in 5th, and in 6th is Marquis World. Last 600 meters of the race, we have silver screen enjoying a link lead, and in 2nd is Upper Moon. Master Maker, Promise is on the outside. Handog, Marquis World, and then entering the home stretch. The silver screen by Orient. Upper Moon remains in 2nd. Promise now trying to get closer into last. Then swing Boron. The silver screen this time by about 2 lengths. Upper Moon is on the outside. Promise. We have silver screen. Upper Moon. Promise now moving up on the outside. And finally, Promise. Silver screen, then comes Upper Moon.
Alright, number 6, Promise. Crossing the wire first, ridden by Claro. Saulog para Junior. Then masisugundo rin, number 2, Silver Screen. Then Upper Moon. Yan. Pala rin natin instant replay nito ating race number 6.